Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo Y33s. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this app from this developer and open it. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Vivo. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one file. Choose Send and tap on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key from here and tap on Receive, then wait. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!